Hello friends, welcome back in my another video. So today I will do unboxing and review of this FLSN Delta 3D printer. And I also have a surprising gift for you. So let's get started. The printer comes in this huge box packaging. First of all, I cut the tape with my cutter and open the box. Printer is nicely packaged in thick layer of plastic foam. This is a piece of plywood which protects the printer parts during shipping and handling. Here is the all parts of printer. The printer is 90% pre-assembled. We just need to attach all parts together to complete it. So let me show you what else I get in the box. A roll of PLA filament, lot of cables, print removal tool, a USB card reader with SD card, tools and a user manual. So let's assemble this printer with the help of given instructions in user manual. The 3D printer is ready and it takes 20 minutes to fully assemble it. The printer body is completely made of metal and it looks really nice. The SD card slot, USB and AC input is on the back side and on-off switch on the front side of the printer. It has touchscreen LCD display. The touchscreen also works really well. The printer has lot of features. It has auto leveling, Wi-Fi support and power ism feature, which is my personally favorite feature. So let's check its print quality. But before we need to insert the filament into printer. So let's do it. So here is the results. The print quality of this printer is really impressive. I print this model at 0.1 mm layer height and we cannot see the layers in model with the naked eyes, which is really nice. And the level of detailing in model is also really good. This model I print on 0.2 mm layer height and again its print quality is really good. The printer is very easy to use and beginner friendly. The price of this printer is $411, but you can get it for only $359 on 11.11 sale on AliExpress. The printer link in the description box. Make sure to check it. So let's talk about the surprise. If this video cross 4000 likes, then I will do the giveaway of my Zonestar 3D printer. Here is it. So I will do the giveaway of this printer. The participation rule is very simple. You just need to subscribe my channel and do like and comment on this video. Then you are eligible for this giveaway. So please write only one comment. So if you do 2 or more comments, then you will be disqualified. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.